How to cash on delivery AliExpress. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to cash on delivery on AliExpress, these are the methods you can follow up. So first thing is you can open up the application itself, and once you are there, you should be finding this interface. So if you're trying to cash on delivery, what you can do is you can directly head over to the product that you want to cash on delivery. So the cash on delivery on AliExpress depends upon the seller. So if the seller has already allowed cash on delivery, you don't need to do anything. You just need to go ahead and look out for the product with cash on delivery. After you find out the product, you can use the search bar. If you can't find it there, you can use it and go ahead and tap on the product that you may want to cash on delivery. After that, go ahead and tap on the product and just go on with the normal process of payment. You can just go ahead without adding a payment method. You can place order without any hesitation. So that is it for now. The new update of AliExpress allows the seller or the user to cash on delivery like this. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.